The Stoics viewed reality as a unified, rational whole. They embraced materialism, believing everything is composed of matter. Even seemingly non-physical elements, like reason, consist of finer substance. This contrasts with metaphysical views seeking beyond the physical. For Stoics, nothing exists beyond the physical realm. Yet, they acknowledged deeper truths within material existence. They saw the physical world as imbued with reason. Divine order gives the physical world metaphysical significance. Stoicism combines materialism with belief in rational structure. The unity of reality is both materialistic and rational. Adherents recognize a divine order throughout existence. For Stoics, matter and reason were intrinsically linked. Their views opposed dualistic separation of physical and non-physical. Monism characterizes the Stoic understanding of the universe. Stoic philosophy emphasizes coherence and interconnection. Reality is a coherent whole integrated through divine reason. This monistic view informed their understanding of nature and ethics. Physical elements and rational principles coexist harmoniously. Reality's interconnectedness reflects its divine rationality. Stoics sought to align life with this rational whole. Stoicism teaches living in accordance with nature's logic. Understanding material unity is central to Stoic ethics. Everything possesses a purposeful place in the cosmos. The divine logos orders and sustains the universe. Stoic ethics derive from reality's rational structure. Moral wisdom lies in recognizing this cosmic order. Virtue aligns individual will with universal reason. Stoicism integrates metaphysics with practical life guidance. Rational living reflects the universe's inherent logic. Unity of reality signifies a single, divine existence. The material world embodies rational principles for Stoics.